Hey you, yeah, you, the one scrolling through videos right now. Feeling tired, like bone achingly drag yourself through the day tired. Thirsty, like you could drink a whole ocean and still feel like your mouth is a desert. Peeing, a lot like your best friends with your bathroom, ignoring these, thinking it's just life. Think again. These aren't just random annoyances. These could be your body screaming at you, screaming about something serious. Something called diabetes. Diabetes isn't some fancy disease for old people. It's a silent thief stealing your health bit by bit, day by day. Imagine your body as a car, a super complex, amazing machine. Food, that's your fuel, the fuel that keeps you going, keeps you alive. But to use that fuel, you need a key. That key, it's called insulin. Insulin unlocks your cells so sugar from your food can get in and give you energy. Diabetes is when that key gets broken or your body stops making enough of it. So what happens? The sugar, the fuel, it doesn't get into your cells. It builds up in your blood. Imagine pouring syrup into your car's engine instead of gasoline. That's what's happening inside you when you have diabetes. Your blood becomes thick, sugary syrup, damaging everything it touches. Your nerves, fried, your eyes, blurry like looking through dirty glass, your kidneys, working overtime, struggling to clean up the sugary mess. Your heart, pumping harder and harder to push that thick blood around. Your feet. Numb, tingling, wounds that won't heal, maybe even amputation. Sounds scary? It is scary because this isn't some movie monster, this is real life. This is happening to millions, maybe even you, and the worst part, you might not even know it. You might be walking around right now feeling a little off, a little tired, a little thirsty, and diabetes is silently setting up shop inside you, wreaking havoc. But here's the brutal truth. A lot of type 2 diabetes, it's preventable. It's caused by choices, bad choices, too much sugar, too much processed junk, too much sitting on your butt, not enough moving your body, ignoring the signs, thinking it won't happen to me. Well, it can happen to you. It does happen to people just like you. Now, I'm not here to just scare you. I'm here to wake you up, to shake you out of your denial because you have the power to change this. You have the power to take back your health. It's not easy. It takes work. It takes changing habits. It takes facing some hard truths about your lifestyle, but it's worth it. It's worth it to feel alive again, to have energy again, to see clearly again, to protect your heart, your kidneys, your nerves, your feet. So what is diabetes? It's your body screaming for help. It's a warning sign. It's a chance to change. It's not a death sentence. Not if you take action. Not if you decide right now that you're not going to let this disease control your life. You're going to control it. What can you do? First, get checked. Go to your doctor. Ask for a blood sugar test. Know your numbers. Don't be afraid to face the truth. Second, start making small changes. One less sugary drink a day, a 15-minute walk after dinner, swap the processed snacks for some veggies and hummus. Small steps, every step counts. Third, educate yourself. Learn about diabetes. Understand how food affects your blood sugar. Knowledge is power. This isn't going to be a quick fix. It's a journey, but it's your journey. Your health, your life, don't let diabetes steal it from you. You are stronger than this disease. You are capable of change. You deserve to live a healthy, vibrant life. Take that first step. Today, right now. If this video hit home, if you felt that gut punch of truth, then hit that like button. Share this with someone you care about, someone who needs to hear this message. And subscribe to this channel for more brutally honest, no-nonsense health advice. Check out the links in the description below for resources that can help you start your journey to a healthier you. You've got this. Let's do this together.